So Stephen, you know that Trad Fest is on this weekend.
Yeah, of course.
So I have organised a special treat. We are about to meet an All-Ireland Bodhrán champion. He's been playing for 9 years, wow, and he's going to teach us how to play.
Oh, incredible. Let's get inside.
Brendan, it's great to meet you. How are you?
Man?
Are you well?
I'll give me one of them.
So Brendan, you've been playing for 9 years, but what age are you?
I'm 11 years old.
So how does a 2-year-old pick up the Bodhrán and start playing?
I was listening to my brother play in a lesson and I sat in for it and I really enjoyed listening to the Bodhrán, so I took it up.
Does it get to a point where you feel like the practice is just fun? It's like you're just having the crack and it doesn't actually feel like you're working too hard because...
Yeah, sometimes like I just like listen to music and then I just play along and it's enjoyable, yeah.
Now you're an All-Ireland champion, so tell us how you earned that title.
I practiced extremely hard and I got tips off Eamon Murray's a brilliant Bodhrán player from Bioga.
Now you're obviously taking part in Trad Fest, and can you tell us about the Bodhrán experience?
Helen McLaughlin teaches you, and in 1 hour or so you could have like a beat or two, and it's really good.
And we're here today because we want to get a lesson from you, so do you think you could show us a simple beat?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so what are the basics? How do we hold it?
In between that.
Cool.
And then you hold the kipping like a pencil.
Right.
Like
and
that.
then you just down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Easy enough.
That's okay.
Come on, faster.
Yeah, that's brilliant actually, that's really good.
Ah, well done. Aisling O'Gorman, it's so lovely to meet you. Now you're going to fill us in on Trad Fest, which is happening right now. So what kind of activities are taking place?
There's all kinds of gigs and performances and workshops, including lots of really well-known bands. Bioga are going to be playing in the Button Factory. And here in the Arc, which is where we are, we do the Family Hub. So there's tons of stuff going on for children and families here.
Yeah, so it's really nice. So it's literally kind of for all ages.
Exactly, yeah. It's kind of, really just celebrating traditional music and trying to get everyone to have a fun experience with the music.